Well, welcome back to session number 5. And what I want to share with you guys now is the fact that we're going to use these pH drops. pH stands for potential hydrogen. And visually, you're going to be able to see based on the beverages that you drink. When I put these pH drops in here, they're going to change one of these colors that are on the scale. And of course, as I discussed earlier, we're really looking for oxygen because oxygen is life. When they go to another planet, they don't look for Gatorade. They look for water. Water and oxygen. That's how things survive. What I really remember when I had my water store, I used to have equipment there that I could test the water. And then, of course, the health department, I would have to have my water lab tested and for them to check the water. And I would check for total dissolved solids in the water. But there was no visual that you could see. So when you're drinking all these different beverages, you can't tell what's really in the water. As a matter of fact, if I turn the label around, or without turning the label around, you wouldn't even know which bottle was which water because all the water looks the same. So how can you tell? So we can do a visual here, and I'm going to need you guys' help with this. So as I put these pH drops in here, we're going to find out whether the water is acidic or alkaline. So if it's alkaline, it's going to be, we're looking for royal purple because purple on this side of the scale shows us the highest amount of alkalinity and oxygen. The lower part of the scale is going to show us less oxygen, more acidic. Health lives over here because we're 7.365, we're slightly alkaline. So this is the area that we want to live in. So we'll start with Pellegrino. Try to do the same amount of drops in each one. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Get in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stir it real quick. I guess these others don't need stirring. Can you guys see those colors okay? All right, well, let's start from this end. Pellegrino. Pellegrino is a sparkling mineral water, which I believe in the 90s or the 80s, they dropped all the health claims. I wonder why. Look at that. Is that acidic or alkaline? Very acidic, no oxygen. Sprite, lemon lime, cute little can. And one thing that I noticed, it has 24 grams of sugar, which they start off with high fructose corn syrup, and then they add another 24. Only 90 calories though. Pedialyte. This is pharmacist and pediatrician recommended, but it's very interesting because what are you guys seeing? Acidic. Smart water. Also acidic. Essentia. This appears to be slightly alkaline. That's blue, but it's in a bottle that's not the best thing. And then tap water. You're actually paying a pretty good price for Essentia, and you're getting tap water for free, and the tap water looks just as blue. But guess what? I know that in Fountain Valley, they already have a plant where they are actually repurposing water and they are actually sending back out to your house wastewater that's been repurposed and sent back to homes. So there's no telling what's in this water. We already know that they add chlorine, fluoride, and it's what is chlorine? Chlorine's a poison designed to kill, and trust me, it keeps on killing. But it's government regulated. They realize that the pipes are acidic, and they use lye to raise the pH. Lye has a pH of 14, and there's your alkalinity right there. Dasani, also acidic. And this, and you see the beauty of that? That is a very, very royal purple. This is scary. This was the exact demonstration that Dr. Lucas showed to me 10 years ago. And it actually, I couldn't believe it. So I'm saying, well, if I'm acidic and if I've been drinking all these waters and have had a negative lifestyle, can I change? Absolutely. We can all change. So as you change your lifestyle from acidic to alkaline, you can actually change these acidic beverages from acidic to alkaline. That's a beautiful thing. We don't have to stay where we were. Look out now. What happened? What happened there? Something. What? Come on now. What's going on? Soda, Pedialyte, Pellegrino, anything acidic, anything carbonated is 10,000 times more acidic than your blood. Something's wrong with this picture. And you know what? I'm no different from anybody else. When I was coming up, I drank sodas, ate fast food all day, and I'm not telling anybody how to eat, but I know that you've got to change. You can't keep doing things the same way and expect different results. Let's try that again. Let's try that again. Let's try that again. Unbelievable. Now, all three of those I've neutralized already. You guys have any idea how many glasses of this good water it takes to neutralize one glass of soda? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25? No, it takes 32 glasses to neutralize one glass of soda, and it takes actually 5 gallons to neutralize a can. Is it worth it for you to stay with what you've been doing? Check this out. All the good work that you've done, exercising, changing your lifestyle, staying with negative beverages, and all of a sudden you're back to ground zero. So it's when I open, the very important thing that I said is we have two primary decisions or choices to make in life: to accept conditions as they are, or to accept the responsibilities to change them. That's why the company's motto is change your water, change your life. See you on the next session.